problem is very, very severe. It's very clear to anyone who lives in Delhi or comes to Delhi that Delhi has now become a very unhealthy, very unlivable city, and it is mostly due to the severe problem of vehicular air pollution.
कई बार सोते समय भी खांसी वगैरह महसूस किया हमने। मैं तो बीड़ी सिगरेट भी नहीं पीता हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी महसूस होता कई बार कि जैसे पहले और दूसरी जगह पोस्टिंग थी वहाँ नॉर्मल रहता था, यहाँ आने के बाद थोड़ा महसूस हुआ।
Very serious. I don't think after another 5 years the city will be worth living in.
I feel 50% of the Delhi people of Delhi, they are suffering from some sort of breathing problems and all.
That almost 7,000 people die in Delhi because of vehicular air pollution. And there is chronic disease. I mean, everyone in Delhi complains of cough and chronic colds, and there's constant respiratory problems. Asthma is increasing.